Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sanjay. Today is my 20th day of English speaking journey. Thank you to watching this video. It's okay. Let's go to the today's topic. What is today's topic? Today's topic is procrastination. What is procrastination? I will explain that. The procrastination is you will do any kind of work delay to do. So that the delay is a procrastination. You will quit. I will after do that. I will after do that this work. So that way too you will say the procrastination. So that is a procrastination. The procrastination is not is a laziness. The procrastination is a distraction of something. It's okay. I will actually what is procrastination. The procrastination is you will any work to delay after I will do that way too you will delay. That is not for laziness. That is a distraction. You will distraction someone. And that is not only not for the distraction. You will distraction for some kind of this is big work. So that way too you will seeing for some kind of fear. Big work. So that is a problem. Yeah, it's okay. Why procrastination will be creating? So I will say the first is the fear. So what is fear? I will go to do the some kind of work. That work I will cannot finish. I will seeing for you some kind of failure. Yeah, that is a fear. And this is a very big project. Yeah, that is a fear. You will seeing for this project is very high duration. How to learn this? So that way is the big project. So that is a procrastination will be come to the fear. So the not will be the fear. You will set up any work to perfect mood. You will need perfect mood. So that is not is a actually correct way. So the procrastination will be coming for three conditions. The one, fear, and the two, big project, big work, big anything big, definitely you will very struggled. And the last you will mood, perfect mood. You need perfect mood. That is for not my perfect mood. I cannot listen that. So that way is very bad. That is all good. I will say the one kind of solution definitely useful for you. I will for 5 minutes rule. The procrastination is easily for skipping everybody. The procrastination will be coming for some kind of fear. What is a fear? Oh, this is a big work and some kind of distraction. Yeah, that's all. The 5 minutes rule is a you will only cannot do for your whole work one day. So you will only do for 5 minutes without distraction. You will keep your mobile another room. Come to 5 minutes without seeing for time. You will full focusly work. After you will anytime remember go to see your clock. The 5 minutes more definitely you will work to your brain. You will in front of 5 minutes you will go to see. You will look for a procrastination. Yeah, you will 5 minutes rule will be easily follow and you will go to just 5 minutes. You go to work, definitely the 1 hour work focus will be 5 minutes will become. So that is I will say that is a 5 minutes rule. It's okay. I will say the one more example. The regular daily you will start the on kind of walking. Okay, you will mindly setting for I will walk for a 5 kilometer. That day you will say to your mind go to sleep. After you will wake up, you will say 5 kilometer is very over. how to go. Yeah, that way though procrastination will become. That time too you will apply the 5 minutes rule. The 5 minutes rule, it's okay. I will go to uh, simple walk for 5 minutes. That way too you will go not for you will target in 5 kilometers. Yeah, you will go to walk. Definitely you will cannot see your time. Definitely you will go to 2 or 3 more kilometers. So that is a 5 minutes rule. Yeah, very effective. So all is the distraction for your mind. The procrastination will be the more important for distraction. So you will skip the distraction. So I will how to skip the distraction. So I will say the first distraction is social media notification. Definitely come your mobile. So any work you will do, you will mobile off to another room. Cannot notification you hear that, and cannot you will listen your timing. You will focus only work. Just at 5 minutes. The 5 minutes. What time come? Cannot you now? Definitely you will do for your 5-10 minutes. You will focus to do more minutes. Okay, yeah, that is a 5 minutes rule. It's okay. A distraction, I will only say for your mobile is a distraction. Cannot. You will doing work environment is very important. The very environment it's very keep silent, and you will working for a dining hall, bedroom. So that way too I will say the dining hall definitely need a TV. TV is a very best example for a distraction, and mobile also. So you will go to bed. The bed is a anyone's to sleep and speaking somewhere else. So you will go to the quiet place. Cannot without mobile. Go to do 5 minutes rule to learn that definitely you will come to see the 5 minutes more than of 5 minutes you will definitely work it. It's okay. That's all will be great. I will cannot distract everything. It's okay. That I will follow. I will skip the procrastination. So that is not. You will skip the procrastination. Uh, Fulfill the one more advice. I will say or advice or condition. The condition is you will break time. The 5 minutes rule appeared. You will definitely go to see your phone, TV. So that is not for perfect. You will rest time. The 5 minutes after time, definitely the rest time. Any 5 or 10 minutes, you will go to walk. The that is one of the learning body exercise. That way too you will do. The 5 minutes you go to walk and any kind of exercise. So that is you will do it under reading book, and eye straining to seeing for any kind of object. Cannot go to use mobile, social media. Cannot see your TV. So that is not for a perfect. It's okay. All will be say. I will say for one more thing. You will music. You will one voice too. That the rest time too. You will loudly speaking for songs. That is easily skipping for a procrastination. You will reminder it. I will say for a that all in one minute. The first thing, what is procrastination? Not for a laziness. That is delaying for work. Okay, you will some kind of distraction will appear. So you will go to procrastination stage. So next, I will say for what way do procrastination will be. The first fear, the big project and mood. So how to solve that 5 minutes rule? You will go to do 5 minutes without notification, mobile, anything, without seeing time. And after I will say distraction, how to come, how to you will normalize that. Yeah, this is the end of the section. You will procrastination person. Yeah, that time you will procrastination person. You will go to do any work, any kind of work. And I will say for a big project, you will split it for more. Big project go to do 3 hours. You will split it for 10 or 20 parts. go to 5 minutes, do 5 minutes, do 5 minutes, go to see everything. So definitely you will 5 minutes work is like more than 5 minutes work definitely do. So that is a procrastination. How to come procrastination, how to solve procrastination. I will say you will understand that it's okay. You thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, and this video too you will thumbs up. I will more appreciate you doing more videos. Tada, bye.